Okay, I'm going to create a course in Canvas. Oh, start a new course. Okay, and I'm going to call this Aplia or Ky. I'm going to be using her fall book to test this out. So I'm going to go over to modules, create a module. I'm going to call this Aplia for fall. And from here, I'm going to go and add content, and I'm going to add an external tool. And the URL I'm going to use is this one that I got. I'm testing one out from Rick, and it's a hymen. So I'm going to take the URL from the copy mine links content selector optional, throw that into here. I'm going to call this Aplia for fall, and I'm going to load it in a new tab and add the item. Okay, so from here, then you click on the link, you test it out, okay, and from here I'm going to add Introduction to Aplia and the math and the graphing just to get started, and you click on the text file. I'm going to open this with Notepad, and the first thing I'm going to do is do the Introduction to Aplia assignments. You can see that that's what this one is. All I have to do is grab the URL, expand this. Okay, looks like I got the whole thing. And now I'm going to go back to Canvas, and I'm going to go back to my Aplia, and from here I'm going to add more content, which is another external tool, and here's where that URL goes. I'm going to do Intro to Aplia. I'm going to load this tool in a new tab, and I'm going to indent it. And here we go. We're going to add that item. Now the next thing I'm going to do is try to test this out. So I'm going to click on the Intro to Aplia. And from here, after quite some time, it came back with, would you like to create a new course, copy an existing one? And I'm going to click the copy from another instructor's course. And from here, I'm going to grab the course key from Aplia. Okay, I'm going to go to my home. Crap. I don't want to be here. Okay, now I got the right Aplia course up. And I'm going to go down here and find the hymen class that I created. Make sure there's content in here. Yes, there's content in here. This is the one I want. So here is the course key. I'm going to take this course key, and that's what I'm going to put right here. I'm going to name the course. Doesn't make sense since it's small, but I don't care. Okay. And I'm going to create a course. Okay, once it found the Aplia course, then it took me directly into the Introduction to Using Aplia Assignments. So we are done. Okay, now what I'm going to do is go back to my Canvas course, and I'm going to actually cancel here, go back to my Canvas course, because what I want to do now is the same thing and just add another assignment. So I'm going to come up here, add content, external tool. The URL is going to come from my Notepad, and I'm going to now get the mathing and graph assessments with tutorials. So I'm going to grab this URL right here, throw it in here, math and graphing, and I'm going to load it in a new tab, indent it one level, add the item, and there that is. So I should be good. So now I'm going to test this out. Let me get out of here. Make sure it will launch back into the right place. I go back over here, math and graphing. And after some time, it launched me right into the math and graphing assessment. So we are done.